Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 1 of the 10-day acrylic painting challenge. I will be posting tutorials every second day so that you have lots of time to catch up with the challenges. There really are no rules and no deadlines in this challenge. It's just for fun. I would love to see pictures of your creations. You can email photos to heatherboydwire@gmail.com, or you can join my private Facebook group, Heather Boyd Art. The group is open to all subscribers of this channel. You can share photos of your creations from the 10-day acrylic painting challenge and any other of your mixed media artwork. Today we're making some fun work with masking tape and the acrylic. So we are going to just make some lines on our canvas board with some masking tape. You can just do a crisscross design as you like. And then I'm just taking some colors and putting them in the little areas. I'm going from light to dark and just blending the colors to give them a little bit of gradation to make it look a little more interesting. You can do this in any way you want. You can go over the whole picture with one technique, or you could do the individual areas. So I'll just go in. Keep in mind this video is in fast motion. You can definitely take your time with it. So I'll just blend them out a little bit. You blend a little bit on your palette and then more on the canvas itself. And we're just going to keep going until we're happy with how the areas look. I'm using a medium size brush for this. And then we could go in and do some different colors in the different areas. I have to admit, color is not my forte. I'm just playing around with this. You guys can do any kind of thing you want with the masking tape. You can make more defined shapes. You can go over with different layers, let the layers dry in between. It's just a really fun way to get some geometric designs. Now I'm blending from a kind of magenta out with the white to lighten it up a little bit. It's fun actually blending it on the board. Go in with your brush, scrub it around a little bit. You can use your finger to blend the colors as well to make a more smooth transition from dark to light. I like working with my fingers, it's fun. And then we're going to go into the other areas and keep going in this manner. Once you've completed it all, make sure it's dry, and then you can pull the tape off the canvas board. And that'll expose the white of the canvas. You could have also pre-painted the background as well if you want different color lines. You could even do it black and then go over with lighter colors to make it look like stained glass. So there's our first one. And then for the next one, I went a little more wild with it. So I went ahead and did the background in one color. And rather than mixing the colors on the palette, I'm just mixing them right on the board. So just going in the family of blues, just blending them on the canvas itself, going with a medium-sized brush. You can use a larger brush to do the background if you prefer. It would get the job done faster, but however you want to fill in the background is fine. And of course you can use your fingers if you'd rather do a finger painting background. Just keep going with it. I have several different shades of blue and then some more greeny blue. And we'll just keep going until we have it all filled up. And again, this video is in fast motion. I don't actually paint this quickly. Although I can be pretty quick sometimes. So this looks cool. This almost is a painting in itself. But we will be doing another layer on top. That's the Prussian blue. I love that blue. It's very rich. And we just want to fill in all the areas on the canvas and blend some of the colors together. You can wipe extra paint off your brush with a paper towel or a cloth. Just go with your intuition, and then you can go ahead in with your finger and blend them out a little bit more if you want some softer edges. Again, fast motion, obviously. So now, once it's 100% dry, you can go in with your masking tape, and as before, we can tape out our areas. I almost wished I had left this one plain. I do like the background, but the fun thing about art is you just play with it, and if you go beyond where you wish you had gone beyond, it's a learning experience. So for some reason I decided to use this strange kind of beigey skin color on top. Not quite sure why I chose that, but I just wanted something light. And then I went ahead and got some other colors to splatter on top. So we're just going in and splattering it. I think I chose a kind of orangey color because it's the opposite color of blue, but it ended up being a strange kind of flesh color. So I tried to recuperate it by splattering in a lot of other colors of paint. And the process is super fun. And then we can just like dab off extra paint if you want. I haven't perfected the art of splattering. And then I went in with my scruffy brush. This is a scruffy brush from the Donna Dewberry decorative painting kit. I'll be doing more videos about her style of painting at another time. And then once it's dry, we're just going to pull off the tape. And you'll see the blue peeking out from behind, and it's kind of a cool effect. So just go ahead and pull off all the tape, and there you have your other tape painting. So thanks so much for watching the video. Thank you to everybody who is participating in the 10-day acrylic painting challenge, and we'll see you the next time.